These are the examples of various industries or operations which are responsible for producing industrial waste. First example is metallurgical industries. The main example, steel industry is the example of metallurgical industries. Second is cement industries. Third is paper and pulp industry. Fourth is textile industries. And the fifth one is mining operations. So basically these are the industries or operations chiefly responsible for producing industrial waste. Third category of solid waste is biomedical waste. Biomedical waste or hospital waste, just look at the picture. It is a hospital waste, is any kind of waste containing infectious material. So biomedical waste is very infectious. The next is e-waste or electronic waste. E-waste describes discarded electrical or electronic devices nearing the end of their useful life. The common examples are computers, mobiles, televisions, stereos, copiers, and fax machines. Okay, now coming to the types of solid waste. Now look at these are the two categories of solid waste. You can see first is biodegradable waste and second is non-biodegradable waste. Now coming to the biodegradable waste, which is also known as bio waste. It includes any organic matter which can be broken down into carbon dioxide, water, methane, or simple organic molecules by the action of microorganisms and other living things. Children, please note that this is the basic thing that in biodegradable waste, these can be broken down by the action of microorganisms. And other methods may be composting, aerobic digestion, anaerobic digestion, or similar processes. Common examples are paper, wood, vegetables, food waste, leaves, and plant products. Second category of solid waste is non-biodegradable waste. These are the materials which cannot be degraded or decomposed by the action of microorganisms or any natural process into usable forms. Please note, children, please note that there is a very fundamental difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. That is, non-biodegradable waste cannot be broken down or decomposed by the action of microorganisms or any natural processes. And non-biodegradable waste are very difficult to manage, very difficult to handle, and it is very difficult to get rid of this type of waste because these waste are very harmful for human health and environment. Common examples are plastics, glass, metals, and paints. Thank you.